There is a slew of headphones available in the Indian market which are great for most users. But what about those users who want a little bit more in terms of sound quality? Audio Technica has the answer with the ATH M20xBT headphones. Audio Technica has a solid reputation regarding sound, and if you've never experienced them, these headphones would be a great starting point. Although, these have one major flaw, but more on that later. So we use these headphones for a while, and here's our review of the Audio Technica's ATH M20xBT headphones. First things first, the moment you take the headphones out of the box, they feel light, mainly because of the plastic construction, but at the same time, it feels flimsy and not too sturdy. Build quality is where Audio Technica made sacrifices, and we wish it could have been better. Don't get me wrong, they won't break off or something. The design is relatively simple with blacked out Audio Technica logo embossed on the outer cups except on the metal rails. We like the minimalistic and the clean design of the headphones. The headphones offers various positions and accommodates multiple ear sizes, although for people who use their headphones on the move, the ear cups on the M20xBTs do not fold or collapse for easier packing as the Sony's XM series does. In terms of connectivity, you get Bluetooth version 5.0, which makes the connection solid, and we didn't experience any connection drops. You can also go the wired route if you prefer, as the headphones come with 3.5mm wire in the box. One feature we absolutely love is the multi-point pairing function, which allows staying connected to two Bluetooth devices at once, and it works well as advertised. Although we did run into trouble one time when connecting simultaneously to both the laptop and a smartphone. But after a quick disconnection, it worked fine. For music playback, you get 3 buttons on the left side giving you basic controls over volume, skip tracks and play pause music. In addition to the buttons on the left ear cup, there is USB-C port for charging and a 3.5mm jack for wired listening. The ear cups are reasonably cushy and do an average job of cutting out outside noise, although we did notice we needed to increase the volume to cut the background noise. So not an ideal pair if you want some noise isolation. The ear cups do swivel inwards a little and lay flat when not in use to give a more comfortable fit. However, the ear cups could be plusher. There is a tendency for heat to get trapped inside the ear cups due to lack of space in the ear cups. We are complaining a lot, but these headphones are reasonably comfortable. If you like to listen to music or watch movies at a stretch, you would find these headphones comfortable for prolonged durations, mainly because of their lightweight nature. Now coming to the meat and potatoes of the review, that is, how is the music quality? The music comes with a punch in clarity, as do the vocals. There is enough bass without overpowering it, and the music feels full. Without going in much in detail, these are good sounding headphones for people who appreciate superior audio quality irrespective of whatever genre you like. These pair of headphones shine in a sea of many bass heavy headphones. These headphones support audio codecs such as AAC and SBC. There is no high quality audio to be found here, but it's not a deal breaker for most of us, as hi-fi quality audio requires much more than supported codecs on headphones. We also did not face any latency while streaming a movie or playing games, as the headphones support low latency, which helps. Coming to battery life, Audio Technica claims up to 60 hours of continuous use on a full charge, and upon my use, this holds as we didn't even need to charge it once in our testing period. You can also get up to 3 hours of use on a 10-minute rapid charge. So what's the verdict? From our review, you can see that we have a lot of love for these headphones and we do recommend them. However, before you click the buy now button, just hold on. Remember how we told you that there is one major flaw with these headphones? Well, the major chink in its armor is high asking price of 16,599 rupees as listed on Amazon. And that's going to be a hard sell for the company. Considering the fact that Audio Technica's ATH M50X, which are professional studio headphones, are placed a notch higher than these and are available for much cheaper and sound better. Of course, the trade-off is there is no Bluetooth or wireless connectivity as they are wired headphones. If you prefer Bluetooth, you can take a look at a few options from the likes of Sony, Bose and JBL, as the ATH M20xBTs certainly are priced on the higher side for what they offer. So that's the review, guys. Do let us know what you think of these headphones, and for more tech related content, subscribe to the Gadgets Now YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.